All right, let's jump into a wild thought experiment. How do we survive the absolute worst? So, we're going to look at 3 insane scenarios and our potential paths to survival. First up, a world of fire, where the surface is just uninhabitable. Next, a world of ice. What if our sun just blinked out? And last, a world with no air. Yeah, let's kick things off with the heat. Okay, get this. 52 degrees Celsius. That's a real summer day in Cooperpedia, Australia. So what do? They go down. Over half the town lives underground. And the difference is just staggering. Above ground is brutal. Below, a perfect 23 degrees. But this isn't some new idea. People have been doing this for thousands of years. Still, as this author points out, we're just not built for living underground. You see, escaping the heat is one thing, but it really messes with our bodies. Okay, let's totally flip the script. From fire to absolute total ice. And if the sun vanished, the plunge into a global ice age would be insanely fast. Earth would become what's called a rogue planet, just drifting through deep space. But believe it or not, even then, survival is possible, deep inside the planet. The key would be harnessing the Earth's own geothermal heat from its very core. Our final doomsday isn't external, it's internal. What if the air itself runs out? Yeah, a new model suggests oxygen could actually dip below what we need to survive. To survive, we'd have to adapt, just like people who live at high altitudes. But there's a huge difference between getting used to it and actually genetically evolving. In fact, Tibetans adapted in less than 3,000 years. That's the fastest human evolution ever. So what have we seen? 3 totally different paths to survival for humanity. So the real question is, will our future be built by our hands or rewritten in our genes?